So here are all the parts for the 59 Continental kit. As you can see, it comes with the hardware, mounting hardware, comes with all the parts of course, and we're gonna start out with adding the front dish. And you have these 3 tiny screws. Add the chrome ring to the rear dish like this. It has 4 tabs inside. Put it on here on the back. Place the safety star on like this. And let it dry. Here, so you need to mount it correctly like this, so that it locks like this. Then you have the bolts. Goes to the center, and we're gonna mount both parts together like this. So here we have it. We're gonna remove these screws. So we need these 2 screws to mount the bumper kit to the body. Okay, so now we're gonna move the rear bumper, and before we're gonna add the Continental kit, what we're gonna do, we're gonna mount the brackets back again using these small nuts, lock nuts. I'm gonna put this one on the outside. This one goes through the hole of the bracket, like this. And then we're gonna okay, like this. You're gonna use the original mounting screws. Just carefully drive the screw in like this. Now remove it, and now we're gonna mount it like this. 2 original screws. We're gonna mount Continental kit, bumper kit, like this to the body. Put a little bit on the tabs on here. You can do it before installing the bumper kit. You can do it now. And now you press it on like this. It snaps in place. And that's pretty much it. So now you're ready to cruise the boulevard with your beautiful Continental kit mounted to your 59 Impala. Enjoy!